In a typical MMM project, analysts spend less time on actual modeling and more time cleaning data, reformatting, and building client outputs. What if everything you needed to run a full MMM workflow, from raw data to client-ready outputs, was already inside Excel? Meet Aryma Intellisheet, your Excel add-in built specifically for marketing mix modeling teams. It lives right inside Excel as a side panel, giving your team a complete set of ready-to-use tools for cleaning and preparing data before modeling and visualizing results after. Let's take a look. The Pre-EDA section has 9 tools that handle everything from data quality to complex transformations. Check Duplicates scans your workbook for duplicate rows, generates a report, and highlights them in red. One more click removes them all. Next, Detect Missing Values flags empty cells in yellow and non-numeric values in numeric columns in orange across every sheet. Again, select Clear Highlights to remove highlighted cells anytime. Date Format Converter detects every date column in your sheet and converts them all to a single consistent format, chosen from 8 options in one click. Merge Sheets combines data from multiple sheets into a single table. Suppose you have data for 2023 and 2024 in one sheet and remaining data in another sheet. Just add your sheets in the desired order and merge. It automatically aligns columns by name instead of position, ensuring clean merges even when sheet structures differ. Column mapping automatically creates standardized channel labels from your raw media data using built-in rules and patterns for platforms like Google and Meta. No manual formulas required. Simply select the columns to map, specify the output column name, and click Run. Once channels have been standardized using the map column, the pivot table creator transforms the data from a long format into a modeling-ready wide format. Now you can aggregate the data to a daily level with cost, clicks, and impressions automatically calculated for each unique map subchannel. Weekly aggregation rolls daily data back up to weekly with your choice of which columns to sum and which to average. But what if your data is already summarized at a monthly or weekly level? Temporal disaggregation detects monthly or weekly data and converts them into smooth daily values using the Denton-Chollet method. Select the columns you want to disaggregate and generate the daily data. Everything you've seen so far prepares your data for EDA, after which we model. Once your model has run, the modeling section has 6 tools to visualize and package your results. The actual versus predicted line chart plots your model fit as a formatted time series chart in seconds. And you can optionally add an absolute percentage error column alongside your data. Contribution chart takes any selected contributions table and instantly styles it with color-coded header and data bars. Fully presentation ready. Saturation curves plots response curves for every channel in your model. Using your hyperparameters and historical spend data, we can plot the chart instantly. The dumbbell chart visualizes the gap between spend share and effect share for each channel. Channels delivering more than they cost appear in green. Channels costing more than they deliver appear in red. The contributions ranking bump chart shows how each channel's contribution ranking shifts across time periods. Highlight your key channels in custom colors and generate a client-ready image. And the contributions table formatter takes your raw ROI and MROI outputs and produces a clean, report-ready version beside it. Aryma Intellisheet, your MMM workflow right inside Excel.